Welcome back to Daytime Live. So we're back, and you heard her at the beginning of the show. And I'm sure that you guys are eager to hear more from the one and only Zena. She's one of Jamaica's fast-rising female artists. Zena, what's up? Well, go on.
All is well. I'm here in the flesh, you know?
Yeah, which is right.
Listen, it's such a pleasure. So Zena, for those who are just discovering your music, tell us a little bit about what's your flavor? What would you say your style is? How would you describe your unique sound as an artist?
Okay, so basically reggae dancehall is at the foundation, but I'm a fusion artist. So I fuse reggae and dancehall, basically any kind of Jamaican music with like R&B, you know, jazz, neo soul, that kind of thing.
I love it.
Nice.
Love it. Beautiful.
Nice. Yeah, man, the sound of our vibes.
Thank you.
Was there anything or anyone that really pushed you to start, you know, recording and putting your voice out there?
Well, singing is just a part of me, you know. I was singing since I was born, really. So this was always my dream. You know, I released my first single in 2020, and from there, everything kind of just went uphill.
Right,
so I'm hoping to stay up there right now.
So Zena, looking at you, your fashion, you're such an eclectic person. Would you say that your style represents who you are as a young woman, as a young Jamaican artist?
I would say so, yes. I've heard that so many times. Like,
eclectic, I just love it.
I can't count. It's just me, you know. I'm kind of edgy, but, you know, I also have a slightly, it's like girly, but still gangster at the same time, you know? So,
edgy.
Yes.
Here for it, yeah, man.
That's me.
Maybe it's like the voice too. It's smooth, but it's strong. So
Hey.
yeah,
Exactly.
Nice.
Good stuff. All right, so your latest single, Survivor. Tell us about the inspiration behind that song.
Okay, so Survivor, it was something I did for Disruptor Sessions, and it was somewhat of a freestyle. I wrote it like basically, let's just call it the same time I performed it. As a matter of fact, I wasn't even really satisfied with the performance itself, you know, but the song itself, I love the song so much, and you know, I feel like a lot of people out there can relate to it even right now during this time where, you know, we're going through basically a depression after Hurricane Melissa. So, you know, I feel like it's a good thing to be out there right now, and I hope to release something officially for it.
Yeah,
so,
I love
but you can still check it out. It's on Spotify.
I love that. Speaking of Spotify and everything, Zena, let's not keep the people them waiting any longer. It's your time to shine. Take it away, Zena, perform.
Before we do that, though, we have to big up everybody watching. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. You know, remember to stream Zena's music. After you've heard her sing, I'm sure you'll do that anyway. Remember that you can rewatch past episodes, this episode, as well as past episodes at onespotmedia.com. Follow us on Instagram, X, and Threads, TVJ_Daytime Live. We that.
Yeah, man. Support each other, support your sisters and your brothers and everybody in the West. Don't overthink it. Help out in any way you can. Each one, reach one, teach one, love one. Jamaica, one blood, one love.
Zena time.
Zena.
Come.
All right.
Do your things.
Do your thing, Zena. Bye, guys.
Daytime life. So many people out there want to escape their situation right now. I'm afraid to go outside, losing faith with all this prison time, and my life cries as I pass by. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Walking through this dusty town, covered up, face turned down, hiding in the crowd. Oh, I can't breathe out loud. I wanna run away, run away, run away, run away, get away, get away, run away, run away. But listen, yes, me did want a little more time just to start out me life right. Nah, go like got a lot of things for my mind. I had to see with my mind's eye, so me just meditate and me separate from frustration. No hesitation, nah contemplate fun can't or can. Me do the dang thing, man. No matter run away. Oh yeah, yeah. Run away, run away, run away. Yeah, yeah. Daytime life. So many people out there are struggling right now on the western side of the country. They really feel like they have no way out. And it's our duty as Jamaicans to help them throughout this time.